Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is Internet Services. The invention of Internet has transformed the lives of the people across the world. Nowadays, people are using Internet for their every work, like they are using for communicating through emails, video conferencing, social networking. They are using internet for online shopping, e-banking, e-learning and other services also. So some of the services of internet we are discussing here. So first is social networking. Social networking is the most popular and commonly used service of the internet. It enables the internet users to connect with the people regardless of their geographical location. It also allows the user to share their views and ideas with each other. It helps you to socialize with your friends and relatives. It also helps to share their views and ideas with the same interest of people also. So it helps to update with the latest news. This is called social networking. Social networking consists websites that provide a virtual community are known as networking sites. So, social networking sites offer a platform to stay in touch with their friends and family and relatives, connect with like-minded people, share opinion, ideas, photos and events, etc. with the people, or expand their professional also, and a lot more. The purpose of social networking site is to provide a platform to people where they can freely share their opinion and knowledge with the wider range of audience. So for this you need to register on that platform and you have to create a profile here. Then you can use this kind of social networking. So next is the first social networking site. Do you know what is the first social networking site? The first social networking site is 6degree. It was launched in 1997 and it was remained functional till 2001. After 2001, it stops working. So after that, so many other social networking sites will be available here, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Plus, Instagram and so on. So first is Facebook. Facebook is the most popular web-based social networking application which was founded by Mark Zuckerberg, which was the founder of Facebook, and launched in February 2004. So and its URL is www.facebook.com. Facebook allow you to search and connect with the people across the world by sending and accepting a friend request. It also helps to share your views, photographs, live videos, etc. You and your friend can react to a common post by hitting the like button also. So every Facebook user has a dedicated timeline. You have to remember this point, that every Facebook user had a dedicated timeline that displays the content posted by him or her in reverse chronological order, means with the most entry first. Means whenever you are using which post is earlier, which post we have entered earlier, that will be go down, and which we have entered now, so that will come on top. So next is Twitter. Twitter is the online social networking platform used to publish micro posts known as tweets. Earlier, Twitter tweets was restricted on to 140 characters only. Its length was 140 characters only. But nowadays we can use more than 140 characters, means approximately we can use 280 characters. It was created in March 2006 and founded by Jack Dorsey, Noj Glass, Biz Stone and Evan Williams, and it was finally launched in the July of the same year, means July 2006, and its URL is www.twitter.com. It comes in different languages like Japanese, Korean and Chinese. These languages are not used in this, but except these languages, other languages we can use in it. So next is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the world's most popular employment and business oriented virtual networking site. So it was founded by Reid Hoffman and launched in May 5, 2003. It was used by professionals only, like employers and job seekers also. It is a great platform to post and search jobs and discuss business ideas also. Company and professionals create and update their profile in order to create a good marketplace online also, and its URL is www.in.linked.in. So next is blogs. What is blogs? Blogs are the short for web blogs. As we have discussed earlier, Twitter is also working as a blogs, which consists microblogs is a form of communication that allow user to create and publish short text messages with online audience. These text blogs are called micro posts. So blogs help us to share personal opinions or experience with others. It is an online journal with diary style entries. Its entries displayed in chronological order, similar like Facebook, which means latest post displays first. Examples of blogging sites are www.blogger.com, and its types are traveling blogs, business blogs, vlogs, photologs, and padcodes, etc. Business blogs is for use for business purpose. Vlogs are used for video log blogs. Photologs are used for photograph blogs, and padcasts blogs are used for audio blogs. So exactly, blogs are the method where people can share their views, opinion, and experience, which we were earlier people were using this newspaper, magazines as journal for sharing their views, but nowadays they are using blogs for this purpose, right? So till this, thank you, stay home, stay safe.